What is going on YouTube? AVI back with another video, and in today's video we are going to be replacing my hood release on my 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse, and I believe this works for a Dodge Stratus and a Chrysler Sebring because they're kind of made on the same platform and everything. But obviously this is the one to have, so if you guys are interested, come on in closer and we can start the process. So what we have here is our original hood release. It still works, everything functions good. It's just, to me, it's the original and it's 20 years old. There's like rust everywhere. And I think just to clean up the engine bay good, I want to, change this out, swap this with the new original hood release. So hopefully this is an easy project. I see 2 1/2-inch bolts right here, so I think it's an easy project to do. But who knows? Every project's always easier said than done. So if you guys didn't know, this is a different day. We were able to remove the bumper, check out the video on the top right, and we were able to get access to the 3rd bolt here with the 1/2-inch socket with the extension, and I was able to get it out here. I just have to somehow take it off here, and then you'll be able to remove these top 2, and then we'll see what other bumps we got on the road, but hopefully this is it. So this is where it may get a little tricky, but all we got to do is just take this cable from the stock, from the car, obviously, from here, and there's like a little ball attachment at the end. We're just going to want to transfer that onto here. You can see it's the same exact layout. Just put the ball through there. You can see, yeah, right through that hook. Just put the ball there, and then you're able to release or pull the cable and pop open the hood. So let's try to swap that out. See if, and there you have it. It was actually pretty easy. It's kind of like solving one of those easy puzzles. You just first remove this, take it out, and then move the ball that way. And then obviously when you're putting it back in, you want to reverse the order that you took it out. So then put the ball in first, and then clip this back into place. And then this ball just kind of keeps it there, so it pulls this lever from the latch from the inside, and then it just pops open. So we're going to test this out and we'll be done. So it looks like we're all done. Now we're going to do the ultimate test. As you can see, the hood is closed, it won't open. So this will be the first sign if it's all good. I'm going to pull the lever here. That's a good sign. It pops open. And there we go. New hood release, works just fine. If this video helped you guys, make sure to check out our other mods and tutorials and things like that. Make sure to check out Eclipse content. We got Mustang content, Lightning content, Hyundai Kona content, Subi content. So a lot of videos out for you. And thank you guys for watching again. Make sure to like, subscribe, and just like that, AVI out.